Hey once my pros, it's me Gina Marie, and in this video I'm here with another hair product haul. So this hair product haul consists of some things that I purchased and a PR box that I received. So I wanted to share with you guys, and then I wanted you guys to let me know which products you guys want to see first. I'm a little excited about these products because I've been dying to try them, and I'm so excited. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where you'll probably see stuff like this first, because I can't help myself. As soon as it comes in the mail, I have to open it. And yeah, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, and let's get into this haul. So the first set of products that I got is from Curls, and as you guys know, I have done a wash and style on Curls products before, and I'm excited about these products. These products came out, and when they came out, they were advertised towards kinky hair, and so I'm definitely excited to try it. And that is the Curls Cashmere and Caviar line. They were having a 16th anniversary, happy birthday anniversary sale. So these products were originally $85, but I got them for $45. And so what comes with this line is the Cashmere hair jelly, which is, I don't think that's the shampoo. I think that's a gel. It comes with a Cashmere Caviar hair bath, which I believe is the shampoo. The Cashmere Caviar hair silk, which I believe is the leave-in, and then it comes with a hair serum as well as a deep conditioner, which looks like this. So of course I will be doing a wash and style on this line, but I'm also going to do a separate deep conditioning max video on this line as well, so I can get 2-in-1 video type things. And so, yeah, that's the first set of products that I got. The next set of products that I got is from Curl Dynasty, and I'm not gonna lie, I have been stalking this brand's Instagram like crazy for the past few months, but I finally binged. I just could not take it anymore, and I finally binged, and I brought these products, and they were actually at the hair show. I didn't see what deals they had at the hair show just because I had already purchased them, so I wasn't really tripping. So the first set of products that I got, which actually came from their bundle, which is their Moisture Rich Shampoo that looks like this, their Kalahari Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner, and then their Give Me Slip Blast Hydrating Conditioner. And then it also came in that bundle, the Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment. And because it didn't have a like twisting gel or anything in that bundle, I went ahead and purchased the twisted definition. So when I was at the hair show, I asked the CEO, like, did I make a great purchase? And she said that is like the perfect combo for just starting off with their brand. So I'm excited about that. So that's what I got in that second box. And then the last box is actually a PR box. And this is like, will be like my second PR box. And I just was not expecting all these products when they said they were going to send me a few items, but I'm just like in awe because this is crazy. So the first thing, and this box is from DevaCurl, and so just digging out the bag, the first thing they sent me was a DevaTowel, which is a microfiber towel. You can never have too many of these bad boys because they work great for drying your hair. I also received the One Conditioner Decadence, and then as well as the No-Poo Decadence line right here, which I actually have a wash and style on that, so I will link that so you guys can see. I use these two products, and that One Condition Decadence is like bae. Like, this conditioner is so bomb. It's what I've been using for my wash and goes lately. So some new products that I haven't tried before from them is the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder, which is a pre-cleanse slip detangler. I also have their Ultra Defining Gel, which I'm excited to use because I really want to do a wash and go, just using all their products. And then I also have their Be Leave-In Miracle Curl Plumper Texture Volume. And then I also, which is one that I'm like super excited to try, is their Buildup Buster Molecular Water Cleansing Serum. It's supposed to be like a clarifying type shampoo, help get that build up, but it's like in a serum form, so I'm super excited to try this. And then the last two things that I got are two deep conditioners from them. Their newest deep conditioner, which is the Melt Into Moisture, and then the Heaven in the Hair deep conditioner. So y'all guys know I'm gonna have some reviews coming using these 2 deep conditioners because y'all guys know I love me some deep conditioners. So yeah, that's what I've got in that box. As I can tell you guys, a lot of products, I need like shelves because now I officially have too many products that they don't fit under my bathroom closet. So I'm going to do some decluttering of my hair products so I can make room for some new ones, and we're going to get these videos popping. I hope you guys enjoyed this product haul. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.